What is up, Tech Twins? Ray here with Twinfolk Tech, and today the folks at Tudia have sent out some of their cases to the channel. So definitely want to send a special shout out to everybody at Tudia. Thank you for sending your products my way. I made such a ruckus about how much I love the Tudia Merge grip case for my Pixel 6a that they decided to send me some cases for my Pixel 7. So again, this is the Tudia Merge series here, and we've got 3 different colors. We've got the Tudia Merge in metallic slate, we've got it in matte black, and then indigo blue. So we're gonna pop some of these on here and see how they look. I mean, they're pretty much, you know, all the same type of case, but they have different colors, so they may look a little bit different depending on which one we have on, just because of the colorway there. So let's go ahead and get started without further ado. Let's start off with the metallic slate. So this is a nice looking color here. Got your foam bits in there. All right, look at that. Tudia Merge, designed in US, made in China. Nice shock absorption here on the inside of this design. And it seems like this is a 2-piece case. So you got like your plastic shell, and then you got your TPU material in here. So it is gonna give you dual protection. So this is going to give you a nice bit of window visor there to see your camera bar. So I still do see that camera accent, that brilliant camera accent there, and it matches exactly with that camera bar with the case. That is beautiful. So metallic slate with the black trimmings around it. So we've got some nice clicky buttons here, very responsive. Got your cutouts down bottom for your oversized USB-C there, your speakers. Again, clicky buttons. Cutout on the back for your camera array. So we got our cutout up at the top for the microphone, and then we've got the cutout up at the top here. This cutout right here was originally for the ultra wideband mmWave antenna. So they originally designed it this way, so they didn't want to, you know, block anything important that would impact the reception. But since the phone's been released, not all Pixel 7s are going to have an mmWave antenna. So of course, all of the Pixel 7 Pros have the antenna, and then the Verizon and AT&T versions of the non-Pro of this standard Pixel 7 here are going to have that mmWave antenna as well. But of course, the unlocked Pixel 7s do not have that antenna for the mmWave connection. So that is why you will see this case and a lot of other cases that may have cutouts such as this. So don't freak out if you see that. But all of the cases that Tudia will release now for the Pixel 7, I believe, have taken this into account now. So anyhow, pretty sleek looking case. I like this. You're gonna have a lot of protection there. Pretty good amount of lip protection as well. Remember, I have a screen protector on here, so that does kind of raise up the screen just a bit, but the clearance here on the lip protection is pretty solid still, I would say. So this is metallic slate. So let's go ahead, pop that off. Let's get into indigo blue. All right, so this has like a much more matte texture. This has a little bit more of a, I mean, less of a matte texture, more of a like a little rubberized texture, I guess, but still you're gonna have that dual protection, and this is pretty stonking sweet as well. So again, cutouts, 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 clicky. But I like this color. It's a pretty sleek color. So that is indigo blue. Really liking this. Nice grippy texture. All right. And last but not least, of course, we have the matte black. Yes, sir. All right, so the matte black is looking really sleek, really sexy. And I do enjoy how you have this camera bar shining through here. Gives it a nice little pop of color since you have an otherwise completely black design. But this is hot. All right. Now that's sexy. So this, either this one or probably the indigo. Yeah, I think I'm gonna rock the indigo blue. This is probably my favorite one. It does seem to pick up a few smudges here and there. Your metallic slate doesn't seem to pick up any fingerprints, but I do see some fingerprints on both the matte black as well as the indigo. Doesn't bother me too much, but that is something to note. All right. Still looks good though. Still looks good. But yeah, again, thanks Tudia for sending these out. I'm going to put some links in the description there for where you can pick up yours. These, again, are going to be your Tudia merge for the Pixel 7 line. They also do have this case for the Pixel 7 Pro as well. But man, these are some beautiful cases. Love them. All right. With that said, be good to each other, be good to your tech, and stay twinning. I'm out of here.